Hi there, it's Sofian and today I'm presenting you my new tool, Free Sitemap and Website Diagram Generator. It's a very long title, I'm sorry for that, but it's a very simple tool to help you understand how your website is connected from a both point of view. So we are looking at internal linking here and also spot new internal linking opportunities on your website. How it works? It's pretty simple. You just enter your website here and you click Analyze. And after a few seconds, you will have a graph with different nodes and lines. So if you hover one nodes, you will see one page of your website. You will understand how many internal link it is connected with. So if you click on the node, you will see all the blue line, which are internal links. And then you see arrows that will give you an idea of how many inbound or outbound links from that specific page. Another cool thing is that you can drag and drop every page in order to isolate them and to better understand how they interact with the whole website. So what I do normally is, as soon as I'm starting this kind of analysis, first is I'm looking at the tree view. The tree view is giving me information about the depth of my page and how many clicks I have to do from my home page to arrive to my page. Google said that ideally you need 3 clicks in order to cover all the page of your website. As you can see right away, most of my page are on the depth 4, which is a little bit too much in depth, which will decrease the visibility of my pages and make it harder for the Google bot to have a view on it. So one of the reasons is that I decided very smartly on my website to not have a navigation on the homepage, which I will probably change just after that video, which make all my page very, very far from in clicks from the homepage. So I will have to change first. But other things I will have to change is if I'm going back to my graph view, and here I sorted it a little bit better. What I can also see is there is some page that have no link at all. So if I'm here, you can see this is a page which is almost on the highest level of my website, and it has no links, no inbound, no outbound. This is a problem. It's an orphan page, and it's probably not even crawled by Google because it doesn't even know that it's there. So if I want to have this page index, I will have to add some internal inbound and external link to this page. Otherwise, Google will never know it's there. Another way to look at it is to look at kind of cluster. So here I try to create a cluster with that page, but if I'm looking at the detail page, you can see that there is only one link. Here the idea will be from that page to add links to the other detail page around that cluster, but also from that detail page back to the cluster in order to have more authority on my pillar page. What also we can see quite obviously here is from this page, it's not even connected to the rest of the website, which is a missed opportunity to also again add more content and context to my website from the bot point of view. So as you can see, there is many things to rework on my website, and I will start, like I said, after that video. But also there is some good points. So if you are looking at internal linking on your website, you should start by making sure that every link has a descriptive balise. So in order to, instead of using links in the learn more button or link, just use a clear text to explain what is behind the link. So that will help, again, Google to get more context around your linking. Another good way is to use breadcrumbs, because that will be and add always natural linking to your website. And finally, link all your page to of the money page. So if I'm going back here, as you can see, this is the page where I'm adding where we can download my checklist, and all of the main pages of my website are adding inbound links to this specific page, which is good. Actually, I could even do better. I could link all my detail page or all those pages again back to here, but I didn't do it. So another item on my to-do list. So that's pretty much it. That's a new tool. I hope it will be helpful. I hope it will help you discover new internal link opportunity. I hope it will help you to uncover orphan page, but also those kind of too deep page that are not getting crawled. And of course, we are thinking about how to integrate that in our AI SEO Copilot app in order to have all that kind of features or analysis directly on Webflow. So if you like it, just continue and follow our work. Otherwise, see you around. Thank you. Cheers.